In this section, we'll look at an overview of the interface of iBooks Author. If you've ever used some of the other Apple tools such as Keynote or Pages, you'll notice that it looks very similar. Up in the top, we have our main toolbar. Here's where we can add pages, choosing what types of pages we want from our template. We can change our view here. We'll leave it on the normal view for now, but sometimes it's nice to show the rulers. We can change our orientation of the book. iBooks are typically made to be in landscape format orientation, so we'll leave it there for now. Here's some things that you can do to insert things such as text boxes, tables, charts. Widgets are various things that we can add to put interactivity and things in there. Here's where we can preview if we have an iPad connected to our computer. Publish, which you'll see gives us some options here. And then we have over here our tools that we have in a lot of the other Apple tools, such as the Inspector, the Media tab, which brings in our ability to pull things from iTunes or whatever, our color bar, and lastly our font tab. So all of these are available to us at any point in time when we're working within iBooks. You'll notice then below here is the text formatting bar, so you'll be able to use this just like you'd use in any other piece of software to modify your text. Down here is where your book is set up. So we have a number of pieces in here that are useful to us. The book title is of course the front page of the book, and this is where we can change the image if we wanted to. For our purposes of creating a book on the Grand Tour, this works pretty well for us, so we can go ahead and modify things as we're working here. Our introductory media here is an image or a movie that plays immediately upon launching. So if we wanted to have an introductory video as the book is launched, we would drop the movie right into here. Here's our table of contents, which we'll create as we create our book. And last, our glossary. And this is where we can add terms as we're creating our book and link to them from within the book. Below those sections is what we have of our book already. And you'll notice whenever you create a new iBook from the template chooser, you'll find that you have several different things that show up, and that's just giving you an idea of what the book can look like as you're working through it. Every time you need to change any sort of layout for this section, you can drop down the small arrow here and make those changes. And again, we can add pages up here from the top as we want to, and that will pull us in like that. We can change the images, we can change the text as we want.